What are you doing?
Putting my draft into my Hype case. Ta-da! If you're a huge Hype fan like me, you gotta run to Hype's website to check out their Black Friday deals. So if you want a monochrome water build PC like this one that we did, or if you're more of like a pink PC build like this Hype Y70, or if you like this Aquaman PC we did the other time, then you can build your own too, because Hype has sales up to 50% off. So go ahead and check out their Black Friday deals starting November 22nd. Catch those deals. Aside from PC cases, accessories, and hardware, they also make PC peripherals such as this Hype Key TKL, and they also have other things like Hype Swag. Starting November 22nd, check out Hype.com or the link in the description below to catch your Black Friday deals. Thank you, Hype, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, let's get back to it.